Roasting the perfect turkey, a guide to a delicious idiom. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a tasty phrase that's not only a culinary delight but also a fascinating part of the English language: roast turkey. So, grab a fork, and let's dig in. When we hear roast turkey, two images might come to mind. The first is quite literal: a delicious bird that's been seasoned and cooked in an oven until it's golden brown. The second image is metaphorical, where to roast means to humorously mock or criticize someone. In this section, we will focus on the literal meaning. Roast turkey isn't just a meal, it's a cultural icon, especially in North America, where it's the centerpiece of Thanksgiving dinners, symbolizing gratitude and family. It represents a feast and is often associated with celebration and togetherness. Here, we'll walk through the steps of roasting a turkey, from seasoning it with herbs and spices to the moment it comes out of the oven, ready to be carved. We'll share tips to achieve that perfect, juicy taste that makes roast turkey a beloved dish at any table. Now that you know what roast turkey means and its importance, let's use it in a sentence. My mother makes the best roast turkey every Christmas. It's always the highlight of our holiday meals. We hope this video has been informative and has given you a taste of how rich and flavorful the English language can be. Remember, whether it's a dish on your dinner table or a phrase in your next conversation, roast turkey is more than just food. It's a slice of culture. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.